A reliable brad nailer makes home projects faster and cleaner, perfect for furniture assembly, trim installation, and weekend woodworking tasks. Best brad nail gun for DIY buyers should focus on power consistency, ease of use, jam reduction, and dependable performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT DCN680B Nail Gun. The DEWALT DCN680B nail gun is built for professionals and serious DIY users who want clean results without the hassle of hoses or compressors. Being 100% battery-powered, it offers excellent portability and convenience on trim, molding, and small carpentry jobs. The brushless motor stands out by delivering strong, consistent driving power while also extending runtime and tool life. One of its most appreciated features is the micro nose design, which greatly improves visibility and accuracy, allowing nails to be placed exactly where intended. The tool-free depth adjustment makes it easy to fine-tune countersinking for different materials, ensuring a polished finish every time. When jams occur, the tool-free jam release clears them quickly, minimizing downtime. Multifunctional LED lights are another thoughtful addition, providing workspace illumination while also offering basic tool diagnostics. Overall, this nail gun feels solid, well-balanced, and reliable, making it an excellent choice for finish work where precision and durability truly matter.
Number 2. Metabo HPT Nail Gun. The Metabo HPT Nail Gun is a lightweight yet powerful option designed for smooth and efficient brad nailing. Its mechanical spring system delivers reliable driving force for up to 2-inch 18-gauge brad nails, making it suitable for trim, cabinetry, and light framing tasks. With the included 2.0 AH 18-volt battery, users can drive up to 700 nails per charge, which is more than enough for most daily projects. The compact design and low center height allow it to fit comfortably into tight spaces, while the 5.5-pound weight reduces fatigue during extended use. A fast response time between shots ensures steady workflow with no ramp-up delay. The bright LED light improves visibility in dim work areas, and the toolless depth adjustment allows quick control over nail penetration. Overall, this nail gun offers a great balance of performance, portability, and ease of use, making it a dependable choice for both professionals and home users. Number 3. Batavia 120-volt Nail Gun. The Batavia 120-volt nail gun is a practical solution for users who want simple, plug-and-play performance without compressors or hoses. This 2-in-1 corded electric tool handles both 18-gauge brad nails and narrow crown staples, making it versatile for upholstery, picture framing, and light woodworking projects. Its ultra-light 1.6-pound design is a major advantage, significantly reducing hand and wrist fatigue during longer sessions. The soft grip handle and mandatory two-hand operation provide added control and stability, especially for beginners. An adjustable power dial allows users to switch easily between delicate materials like fabric and tougher hardwoods, helping prevent surface damage. The non-marring rubber nose tip further protects workpieces, ensuring clean, scratch-free finishes. While it's not meant for heavy construction tasks, this nail gun excels at detail-oriented projects around the home, offering precision, comfort, and reliable performance for everyday creative and repair work. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN 20-volt Nail Gun. The CRAFTSMAN 20-volt nail gun is designed for users who value cordless convenience and dependable performance. Its powerful motor can drive up to 420 nails per charge, making it suitable for a wide range of trim and fastening tasks without frequent recharging. The fully cordless design eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges, which keeps setup simple and the workspace clutter-free. This nail gun performs consistently across different materials and climate conditions, ensuring reliable firing power whether indoors or outdoors. Ease of use is a strong point, with tool-free jam and stall adjustments that help keep projects moving smoothly. The lightweight build and optimal center of gravity provide good balance, reducing strain during prolonged use. Overall, this nail gun delivers solid performance in a user-friendly package, making it a great option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want a straightforward, reliable cordless nailing solution.
Number 5. TROOZY Cordless Nail Gun. The TROOZY Cordless Nail Gun is a feature-rich tool designed for users who want power, versatility, and modern convenience in one package. Its high-performance driving system delivers strong, consistent force that penetrates materials like pine, MDF, and hardwood with ease, avoiding the power fade common in spring-based models. This nail gun supports both 18-gauge brad nails and narrow crown staples, making it suitable for trim, upholstery, and panel work. Dual firing modes allow users to switch between precision single shots and rapid firing for faster tasks. The 20V lithium-ion battery provides impressive runtime, driving up to 1,500 nails per charge, while quick recharging keeps downtime low. Safety features such as a trigger lock, contact tip, and dry fire protection add peace of mind. With depth control, LED indicators, and a thoughtful ergonomic design, this nail gun feels well-rounded and ready for demanding projects. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.